Good morning. We bought the fridge yesterday and freezer, and we wondering if we can manage with the electricity as we are off grid to support our cool boxes. So let's open them up and see what they are. We have 2000 watts capacity in the battery, so hopefully that's supposed to last through the night as other stuff like lights and Wi-Fi, and also fridge and freezer, and we want to see how through the day should be fine, but through the night can it last until next morning? We'll see. We'll find out. So let's open this up and see how much power will consume. We want to recognize what? So, would you like to open for the first time? Which one you gonna open?
What were...
This side. From inside we have to still mount the handles.
Yeah, I'm looking for the handle.
Oh,
This is the fridge, no? So
no,
fridge.
this is the freezer.
Freezer. Yeah.
She's on the left hand side. This is to hold the shelves, no?
So, can we take
In
it out?
place. And there is the handle. Nicely protected, no? Packed.
Yeah. So we have one massive drawer.
Show again. Very deep, no?
Yeah. Then we have
Another drawer.
another drawer. Then we have this tray. And second tray. And then we have shelf and two more glass shelves. You can even change the position of them.
And the light is on the top. So we'll switch
and
off.
then we have these.
Two shelves on the door.
Yeah. So quite a lot of space now.
It's good, no? And what about the fridge?
No frost.
Ceiling is not easy to open, no?
No.
But with the handle, it's like a special thing to help you open the door, which is really good.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves.
1 second. On the door.
On the door, 4
1,
shelves.
2, 3, and 4 shelves.
And what good thing is, we noticed before we bought it that there's no shelves here, and thanks to this we have these two deep drawers.
Yeah, some other company put another small shelf on the door and make this drawer so much smaller for no reason. I mean for that reason, but this is like silly reason. And this one have nice huge drawers on the bottom.
One is for fruit and veg. That is what we need now. Say two of them are fruta y verdura.
Yeah, and this one you can. Wow, this is huge, yeah.
Yeah.
And the handles is inside.
And you can control humidity. How it open or close.
Very nice.
And there's another.
Yeah, open.
For meat and fish, so you will be able to put your meat and vegan meat and fish inside. No?
Yes.
And tofu and stuff.
And vegan eggs in the tray.
Yeah.
We're gonna make vegan eggs to go to this tray.
And 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves.
Go slowly. Yeah, 3 shelves. This is shelf as well, no?
Yeah.
Here.
But this shelf covers this
Yeah,
drawer.
but you put on top, no? The shelf. True. So you've got one big shelf here, and then 3 which you can adjust as well. Oh, and for some kombucha.
And here.
And again, the light is on the top here. Total, no frost. Apparently, it's very important when you're living in the close to the sea. It's very moist air. We are in the mountains, but close to the sea, so it's a little bit less moist humidity here than right on the coast, but still is. So apparently, this is very good stuff to have. Otherwise, you have to clean it, your fridge and freezer, like every week, because it will be like full of snow.
So we take everything off?
Yes, and
Yes?
also, yeah, of course, we want to switch it off, no? We bought lots of stuff yesterday, we need to put the fridge and see what is the consumption of it. And also, we need to install the handle. See, this makes huge difference when you open the door. As you pull, it helps you to unsuck from the rubber. See how it works? And you can push this in.
Of course.
And that's it. And that's how much easier we can open the door. Let's do the other side. Very nice and easy. So now the most important is to switch it to the electricity and see how much it will consume. I noticed that this is the fridge and the cable comes from the bottom here. You see, and this is how it looks like. But on the freezer, the cable comes from the top. And see, this is the fridge. The cable does not come from the top. See some specifications. Check this out. That was the fridge, and this is the freezer. So let's connect the fridge first and see how much power it will consume. Let's check it out. See, it's not showing any watts at the moment here. 0. We are charging 140 at the moment, so I'm gonna plug it in the fridge. Seen? Seen.
It's showing 4 degrees.
4 degrees. See, at the moment, oh, kicked in. When it kicked in, it shows like 600 watts, and then it's now showing 75 watts, and it's working. Only 75. Wow. Can you open the door and see if there is different when the light switch on? The light is on. 74 watts. Close. $68. $74. Incredible how little power is consuming. Incredible. Let's see. So it's showing 4 degrees. I think this is what is set to, no? To be 4 degrees.
We need to read this manual and see what I
See, when you open, it pulls the handle and it pushes. See? Pushes here. Wow, we've got a light. Finally, we can see the light in the fridge. Wow.
And
It's
this
huge, no?
This
The
is
whole-
our dream fridge.
Your dream fridge. Are you happy with your dream fridge?
Yes.
Tell me why this is dream fridge for you.
Because it doesn't have this annoying freezer at the bottom with small drawers and not much space. It just has all the way up. From the bottom to the top is just fridge. And thanks to this you have this massive drawers at the bottom, which are amazing for fruit and veg. This is massive space. And then you have, I think from this, no, normally this is the freezer normally, and that is the fridge. And then by having this all fridge, you gain these two massive drawers for fruit and veg, which is amazing.
And then when we stack them together, they will look like American fridge, no?
Yeah.
Okay, shall we? I'll see the light come off now. So it's not gonna be annoying, I hope. That will show you all the time the temperature. It's not touch screen, no? What is it? Oh, it is. It's locked now. Wow. What does it do? Super? Super, what is super? Alarm?
Vacation.
Location? Locks. For 3 seconds I think I have to hold it. Yes, now it's unlocked. Alarm? Location. What is this?
We have to read the manual and see.
Super? Look, there is like a super fan. 2 degrees.
Yeah.
Showing. Fridge. 5. Oh, you can set it here, the temperature. So how much you want? 4 degrees?
No, 4 is a little bit cold. No, 8?
8, 6, 7, 8. Yes, the 8 is maximum. So how much? 6 or 7?
Say 8, no?
8?
Oh, yeah, I don't know if you want colder.
I'll see. Okay, so it's gonna be set for 8 degrees. So you see, you can set it up temperature, and then we can lock again, so you don't press accidentally. No, really good. I love the handle. That's what I'm like, you know. I hate to pull the fridge when it's so hard to open. Well, or freezer, especially a freezer. No, really good. Really nice. Can you hold this for a second? I will try to push them together and see how they work. And then they can be attached very close. Can they be very close to each other? How close?
You want to keep them there, or we put them closer
we
to?
will put them later on. So they need a little bit space, but not much, no? Not much. It's too close. So yeah, what do you think? Look like a double fridge now, no?
Yes,
Fridge freezer. Wow.
and they don't consume so much.
Yes.
People are always afraid. I don't know. We've spoke to so many people. Maybe from in the old days they were consuming a lot of electricity. What do you think? We don't know,
I have no idea.
because some people older
But, you know,
than
the
us.
system really is the same. It's more about insulation
Yeah.
and maybe LED lights.
So because people were asking us, and people are afraid to use. Not even off grid, just living normally at home, but they are afraid of the electricity bill.
So let's see how much the
Freezer.
freezer consume. Show you. Let's check it out. So yeah. So just to see, it's still consuming 75 watts. See right here. This is how much it consumes. If I unplug this for a second, just so we can clearly see how much consume the freezer. And by the way, they're very quiet, don't you think?
They have warning here saying do not locate multiple portable socket outlets or portable power supplies at the rear of the appliance.
Kicked in. You see, when you kicked in, it takes quite a bit of power. Yeah, so this is more powerful, and it takes double. 150, 160. it starts to spin. Maybe it will take less later on. 180. So it's going down now. Yeah, only when it starts it needs more power too. But what does it say in the book? It says 180, no? That it consumes. 140. It's showing 140. 134, so it's going down. And obviously it's not working all the time, 24 hours. It only consumes power when it needs to top up the coolness. So
What about this?
yeah, it's showing 130 watts. We have fridge and freezer working. And it consumes 174 watts. So this is like a pump, and inside there is a gas, so it's pumping the gas, contracting and extracting, how they call. And so inside will get on one side cold, and here it gets warm, and it just goes round and round, and exactly the same thing happened in the fridge. So this will get warm and inside will get cold, like air condition. It works exactly the same, like a heat pump heating your house. It works exactly the same. And that's why they saying do not have any plug behind it, no, any electrical,
Yes,
because
and
this
source
will,
of power.
any source of power, because this will get really hot, and they want to be keep away from the heat elements. But funny enough, the cable is catching this. Maybe you can put it outside, it would be better. So yeah, we'll find a place here. Later on they will go to our new kitchen when we're gonna build the new kitchen. But yeah, and so let's see the
Say we should, before using appliance for the first time, wash interior.
Yes.
And then access.
freezer minus 18. It's a lot, no?
It's normal.
Normal.
Yeah.
So let's see what settings. What settings we can put here? 19, 20, 21, 22, 14. So 40 minus 14 is minimum. So what we gonna have? 18,
18.
as was set before. 17, 18.
They say if the temperature, you can choose eco mode, short touch alarm eco button to clear door opening alarm, and high temperature alarm touch alarm eco button for 3 seconds to select eco mode.
Yeah,
When
then
eco-
it's
eco-
gonna shout to close the door, basically, I
so
think.
when eco mode is selected, eco mode icon will light on and display window will show different preset temperatures depending on the ambient temperature of where the appliance be placed.
So what? I press once, but it doesn't work.
Short touch alarm eco to clear door opening alarm and high temperature alarm, and then touch alarm eco for 3 seconds. After 5 seconds, flashing of eco mode icon eco mode is selected.
No, I cannot do this. One. It's locking immediately, so if you leave. So let's open now. One touch and then 3 seconds. No, I can't make it work. Let's see if I can do it here. Unlock.
but there is also eco mode.
Mm-hmm. No, it does. No, it's not eco. It's alarm.
Yeah, this one's different.
Aha. So this one says vacation. 3 seconds.
So they are both working. How much they are consuming now?
174, I think. Both working, and they consume 184 now. See that they keep changing, but roughly around, let's say around 200 watts, both of them. And at the moment, like I said, they're working full on.
They say they need to work for 2 hours, and only after 2 hours or 3 you can put food inside.
Maybe yes, because they get the temperature they need to be, and then it will be easy when you put the food to again 1 touch and then 3 seconds. I don't know why, but doesn't work. Do you wanna do it? 1, 2, 3. That is open. 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it works now. Now it's echo. So shall we keep the echo on? And what's that gonna do? So now the echo is on.
Eco mode is when it's selected. Display window will show different preset temperatures
No,
depending on the ambient temperature of where the appliance be placed, as below. So for example, if the ambient temperature is less than 13, then it will be minus 18. 14 to 20 minus 18, 21, 27 minus 18, 28 to 34 it will just be less, minus 16, and then more than 35 minus 15.
So it depends of the temperature outside. Yes. Then this will adjust automatically the temperature inside. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So when it's gonna be really hot inside, the temperature, yes, I mean inside the house. So outside of fridge, if it's gonna be really hot, then the temperature in the fridge is gonna be warmer, up to minus 15. And when we get to 28, minus 16, 21, minus 18. So at the moment it shows minus 18. And it goes maximum to number 18. So yeah, so basically when it's too hot outside, it will be a little bit warmer inside, up to minus 15. We're talking about the freezer. I'm not sure how it's with the fridge. Well, yeah, let's open the freezer when it's connected. Nice. We can cool the yurt with this, no? Nice and cool it's coming out from here. Lovely. Really happy. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes.
But we not to wait 2 hours to.
Now we have to wait before we can put some food in. So maybe we can make breakfast and then we can put the food in.
You want to, but you want to clean it inside?
I don't think this fridge will never be cleaner than now. But it might be similar like with the...
Because they say you have to should clean it to get rid of this new fridge smell.
It's nice new fridge smell.
Yeah.
We want to keep it a nice fridge smell. Alrighty, another lovely day. Sun is shining. So let's do some more work. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock in the evening. And the sun goes down. Oh, we've got only 54%. The suns go down about 7:20, and we cooked something as well, so we used a little bit of power. So we've got only 54%, and I'm hoping it's gonna last until morning before can recharge with these two freezer and fridge. So at the moment they don't consume anything as they are on standby, and so yeah, it will be interesting. We'll see in the morning what is the situation, if this 2 kilowatts can last or work with our fridge and freezer through the night. So yeah, we'll see in the morning. Good morning, another lovely day. The sun is rising slowly, and let's check it out how much battery we've got left. 2%, not much, but we survived the night, which means 54% battery overnight is just not enough. I think minimum 70% we need to leave it for the night for the fridge and freezer. But yeah, it's doable, easy, I think. Yeah, which is really good. We start to charge, not much yet, but it's already pulling something in, and I'm hoping it's gonna last until this starts to charge properly, because if it goes to 0, we need to wait until get to 4% until the AC can be switched on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.